Namaskar. Today, let us know about first aid surgery. What is first aid surgery? And what is major surgery? Where it is required to the patients? Let us know clearly and explain one by one. It is an important class for every doctor and for every medical student. Listen carefully. There are many medical courses, doctor's courses, BEMS, Bachelor of Electro Homeopathy Medicines and Surgery, BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicines and Surgery, MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, and there are other courses also, naturopathy and acupuncture, acupressure, and other therapies, magnet therapy, etc. Here, you observe, in any medical course name, there is a word surgery that is denoted by S. The S is called surgery. So, every doctor must be aware of, every medical student, mainly final year students, must be aware of first aid surgery course, first aid surgery system, first aid surgery skills, methods. Already we have explained that for 97 to 99.9 cases, no surgery is required. Cases treated for surgery, no need to go for surgery. We can cure by electro homeopathy and alternate medical system of plants and flowers, electricity, medicines, electricity medical system with external supporting system only by using plants and flower electricity medicines. Here we have already explained other topic also. Electro homeopathy, homeopathy, naturopathy, Ayurveda system are good systems, best systems. Out of all, electro homeopathy and alternate medical system, plants and flowers, has become very popular, best, top, golden medical system, wonderful medical system in the world. In allopathy, we have already explained that, and our research says that is chemical drugs we have to use only for temporary period, for short span, short time, 1 week to 1 month. Where there are no these type of medical systems, these type of medicines, where these type of best medicines not available, then you have to go for allopathy and use only for short time. Even long term using patients, those chemical drugs, they can live after some period, just 1 week or 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, etc. By using those two medicines, this electro homeopathy alternate medical system and that chemical drug, giving gap between the two medicines, 1 hour gap, and live after certain period, if addicted to those chemical drugs, otherwise no need. See here, to save patients' lives in emergency, every doctor must be aware of first aid surgery skills. In case of bone fracture case, patient is suffering a lot, too much grief, mental agony, if crying much, then pull and tie skill, pull and tie with external plates, cotton bandage will help a lot. And if you use Electro Homeopathy and alternate medical system, with that external system, the patient can get cured his injury, bone fracture problem permanently within a short time. See, these are fiber plates and these are wooden plates cut to your requirement or to suit your requirement. See, these are fiber plates, these are wooden plates called as external plates. This is cotton, this is cotton, and this is cloth, bandage cloth, bandage cloth. In case of bone fracture case, first you clean injury with I2. Take 1 cup of water, potable water, drinking water, add 4 drops of I2 Inso Care Plus medicine by LM3, Electro Homeopathy and alternate medical system medicine, prepared from plants varieties, best plant varieties. Clean that injury part with cotton, then pull and tie with the help of another person. Pull and tie. And there are so many types of bandages. You can tie depending on the gravity of injury, accident. You can tie with this cloth and cotton, or with the adhesive putty, means plaster, adhesive plaster. This is adhesive plaster. You can also use this. For example, if there is a fracture at this finger bone, take cotton, keep here like this, pull, cut this plaster to suit your requirement, then tie like this. Here training will be given for doctors and medical students on Sundays at this research institute, SVRI of SVPSO, Sri Evr Public Service Organization International. And there are so many other types of bandages. See, this is one type of bandage. Ready-made bandages available in all medical shops. See, okay, set right. Cleaned with I2, Inso Care Plus medicine. Pull and tie method. By pull and tie method, bandage arranged. And this is the cloth. These are the materials used in practical classes of doctors. See, okay, like this, to suit your requirement. To suit your requirement. Next, in case of snake bite cases also, cut and pin method is used, and medicine useful are SVPSO Care Plus and Inso Care Plus medicines are very useful. Serpobit Plus and Serpo Care Plus are very wonderful medicines for snake bite cases, nothing to worry. And for bone fracture cases, for bone fracture problems, medicines useful are, best remedies are Walkwell Plus, Fit Care Plus, and Inso Care Plus. And for some patients, you have to use anti-pain mass dose, one dose enough. If the accident or injury gravity is more and it is more painful, then you have to give this medicine for 1 to 2 weeks. APMD by E. E means elders. K is denoted for kids. K is kids. E means elders. Once in 3 days, or weekly 1 dose, or at a time 1 to 3 doses required for those patients. This is first aid surgery system. In case of any major surgery, you leave it for doctor's team. 3 to 5, 5 to 7 doctors will perform surgery. And here, that is based on reports and X-rays. See here. To cure any disease or health problem, how can you take up the case? See, these are X-rays. These are X-rays. See, arthritis problem case. Lumbar spondylitis problem case. This is also lumbar pes cervical spondylitis, knee pain problems, abrasion, wear and tear problem, and poisonous joints problem. Okay, these are all X-rays reports. We have cured about 60,000 patients suffered from serious, chronic, critical cases, accidental cases, poison cases, and other so many cases. And in many camps, 50 cases infinity. We have cured many cases. And here, for delivery cases also, no surgery is required. Easy Del Plus, Pulsa flower group medicine, and Jasmine flower electricity medicine, and there are so many other remedies. Walkwell Plus, Peno Care Plus, Angzo Care Plus, Tenso Care Plus, Slepto Care Plus, Happy Lead Plus, No Tense Plus by LM3. There are so many medicines for easy delivery. For 97 to 99.99 cases, no surgery is required. Easy, normal delivery is possible in case of pregnant women after 9 months duration. Here, for example, see our medical system medicines. This is Tulsi plant medicine. This is a wonderful godly plant, useful for this plant. Medicinal uses are skin diseases, respiratory diseases, and certain type of cancers also. Here we don't use single remedy. In homeopathy, that medical system has to use single remedy, single plant or flower or any metal material medicine. In electro homeopathy, single rainbow formula, double rainbow formula. Up to 7 plants, single rainbow formula. Up to 14 plants, double rainbow formula. So we use electricity medicines, complex remedy, based on symptoms, mental and physical symptoms, reports, x-rays, scanning, etc. So this is Tulsi plant, godly plant, wonderful plant. See, this is white jasmine plant, white jasmine flower. It is an excellent medicinal plant, useful for insomnia, mental disorders, gynec problems, skin disorders, cancers, and so many other diseases. Based on temperament, it is to be applied, given to the patient. Here, we use electricity medicines. These medicines, electro homeopathy pharmas can prepare, or electro homeopathy research institutes can prepare by essence method or potency method, by sun energy method, or cold process cohabitation method, and some scientists, doctor, also prepare from hot process method. Any pharma, any pharmacy people, any company people, any institute people can prepare it. Any medical system scientists, doctors can also prepare. But here electro homeopathy doctors, institutes, scientists, they gather single plants and prepare complex remedies, taste and power changes, wonderful remedies. White jasmine. Next, this is aloe vera plant. See, this is also useful for skin diseases, LD, leukoderma, psoriasis, and itching, eczema, respiratory diseases, cancers, stomach disorders, liver disorders, and certain kinds of diabetic problems, symptoms, and BP symptoms. But we don't use single medicine here. We use complex remedies prepared from 7 to 14 plants. This is aloe vera plant. Okay. This is Bryophylla plant, mainly used for kidney calculi, kidney stones, liver problems, stomach disorders, and other respiratory and skin diseases. We use this plant for preparing formula medicines or complex remedies. This is Bryophyllum plant. Okay. We have explained about poison cases and accidental cases. For any bone fracture cases, we avoid internal surgeries, plates, rods, etc. For 99.9 cases, these external supporting system enough. External supporting system, fiber plates, plastic plates, wooden plates, bamboo plates. This is also useful sometimes. See, this piece of wooden piece, available in any jungles or in your markets. It is mainly useful for bone fracture cases, finger bones fracture cases. See, between the two bones, observe, detect the bone's position and place in between them like this, so that you can avoid any wrong joining of bones. Good plate, external plate, useful for first aid surgery, and see if there is any obstruction in nose in some parts, this pipe is useful. And for injuries, use this dressing powder prepared from 14 plants powder. This is Tulsi plant powder is also included in this to avoid infections, septicemia problems. And here see this powder, very powerful, just a cement color or light yellow color powder. This is dressing powder. Pour at injury part after cleaning with I2 and then pull and tie. Okay. This is cloth. This is cotton. And here, this is surgery blade. Surgery blade for snake bite cases. And in case of some deliveries also, light cutting is necessitated. This is thread. This is thread. Just 1-2 sutures needed. Just 1-2. Only for some cases only. When there is blood bleeding, too much blood bleeding, you have to stop it. Generally, without suture, we can stop blood bleeding. That is, yarrow plant group medicine, Walkwell plus and Penocare plus and Bain plant group electricity medicine, 1 mass dose enough. We can stop blood bleeding immediately on the spot. Only in some cases it may be helpful, just 1-2 suture, that is called as first aid surgery. First aid surgery means here not major surgeries, to save the patients and to make the patient relief from mental agony, crying, grief. These techniques are helpful, useful. Minor surgeries, very minor surgeries. This is DW, distilled water, and it is also available in the form of 20 liters can, 10 liters, etc. In 1 to 2 cc of distilled water, add 2 to 4 drops EPA, original medicinal plain alcohol, just 2 to 4 drops, and add medicines also. In case of some medicines, this is not useful. It is helpful and useful in preparing drops, so that the expiry period of prepared drops will increase. Here, this I2, add 2 to 4 drops in 1 to 2 cc quantum of distilled water and give by injections, in the form of injections. Here we have developed up to 700 injections, injection medicine. See, this is injection. After adding I2 in distilled water, take medicine and apply drop by drop. Apply drop by drop. If the candidate is suffering with skin diseases, apply directly to the skin part. If the patient is suffering from cervical spondylitis, apply directly at neck part. If the candidate is suffering with lumbar spondylitis, give at the lumbar region, just drop by drop. Some injections will be given internally also, not more than 1 drop. So training is necessitated for doctors, in-service doctors, junior doctors, and medical students. For doctors, training, experience is most important than study. Study well plus experience and research important. That too, you select non-profit organizations, trust better than corporate institute centers. And here, any clinic or hospital of medical system must have these minimum equipments. First aid surgery equipment. If there is obstruction in throat, you have to use it and remove and save the patient lungs. For stitching or giving sutures and cut and pin methods, these equipments helpful. Forceps, etc. Scissor. And sugar level testing equipment, strips, height scale, weighing machine, and other all first aid surgery equipments and other equipment must be available in each and every clinic. So here we have wonderful medicines. We have developed wonderful medicines of SV product, golden medicines, 33 products for kids, 33 products for elders, 7 mass doses, and 26 special remedies, special medicines, research medicines, and 400 complex medicines, 26 kit medicines, 15 to 26 kit medicines, and package medicines, 60, 114, 350, etc. Generally, the people will suffer by 350 diseases, and some people will face accidents, poison problem, and snake bite problem, etc. So this first aid surgery system is useful only for accident cases, delivery cases, and poison cases, and snake bite cases. So just 4-5 cases useful for 4-5 cases. Every doctor must be aware of this first aid surgery system. Our plants, some plants names: Yarrow plant group electricity medicine, Tulsi plant group electricity medicine, Aloe vera plant group electricity medicine, and jasmine flower electricity medicine, bryophyllum electricity medicine. Electricity is prepared only from plants and flowers because the plants and flowers get sun energies, electro force, electricity force, sun rays, sun power. So in salts, everybody can use salts also. Good remedies, no side effects from these plants, flowers, and salts. Acupuncture and acupressure, they do not cure any disease, but can definitely give certain relief. But correct treatment and prescription of correct medicine is most important for any patient. We can cure any disease, any health problems, any accidental, serious, chronic, critical cases. 99.99% no failure in our system. This is a wonderful medical system. We have developed it like this. It is a godly medical system. Thank you.